Hello beautiful people, thank you so much for clicking this video and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your own braided wig. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button down below and also click the notification button so that you get notification for all the videos that I post.
Hold ourselves together, we'll go far. Created a space. In my head it was empty.
So what you're going to need is a dome cap, thread, and I'm going to use this type of thread, strong and thick, and I'm not using this other one. So if you have any other thread that is strong, you can as well use it. And then scissors, needles, and braids. For this wig I used 5 braids, 4 long braids and 1 short braid. There's a video I made on how you can make a lace dome cap using a mosquito net or just a net. I'll put a link right here on top so you can go watch the video. So this is the lace cap that I made. First of all, I had to split the braid into as many pieces as I wanted just to quicken up the process. And then there are so many methods in which we can braid this wig, and the first method I use is just this first method where I insert the needle and pull the thread through the cap like this, and then I take my braid and make a knot.
As I fall, I will continue to get up. I cannot stop because it is over. Live in the moment, living in a quiet.
And then I split the braid into 3 and then just braided it. And so another method you can use, you can take a braid and just crochet it. Take a braid, pull the latch into the cap, hook the hair onto the latch, and then pull it through the cap, and then take another braid and just braid the hair. But now for this method, this crochet method, you can't use it on the net because it can tear the net. So I advise you to use this method when you're braiding it on the lace or on the net.
Breathe in the air, the light that surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far. Created a space. In my head it was empty. But I know that I want to be where you are. I was denied. I had spent those years, did not recognize.
This method was so simple and so quick.
Those years did not recognize.
And so another method you can use, you can make the braid first and then later on sew them on the cap. And guys, if you haven't watched this video, I'll put a link in the description box below so you can go watch. Make sure you space them so that you don't want your wig to be so bulky and heavy. For the invisible part, I took my concealer and marked a straight line and then just braided along the line on both sides. And make sure you braid on a straight line.
The story's not over. As I fall, I will continue to get up. I cannot stop because it is over.
make sure the invisible part is not too wide, because you want it to be realistic and look so natural. And so I did the same on the opposite side. It really was coming out so well. And then I just went on and filled up the entire lace area. And so this is how the invisible part looks like. Guys, this looks so natural. And then I went on and just filled up the entire dome cap. And I spaced it so well so that it doesn't become so bulky and heavy. And so this is my final product. Wow, guys, I really love this wig. I'm trimming the ends, then I'm soaking it in hot water just to prevent the braids from unraveling. Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you said myself. Guys, just look how real. Like, someone can think it's really a closure. And then apply a concealer or powder on the lace part so that it, you know, you want it to be realistic and look so natural. And apply a concealer or powder that is the same as your skin tone so that it looks so natural. You want the invisible part to look so natural. So guys, let me just try it on, guys, and you can comment below if you really love the hair or if you can make this wig. Wow, guys, no one can even tell that this is a wig. Wow. And then mine, guys, I didn't like braid a lot of hair at the back because I didn't want it to be bulky. But you can you can use as many braids as you want, so long as if you're comfortable with it and the weight, it's okay. Because this one, mine was not even heavy at all. Guys, just look how realistic it is. And for me, because I haven't sewn a band on it, I think I'll just sew the cap on my braids, on the braids later on. I love my invisible part on the side, so I'll just sew the cap on the cornrows later on, but the invisible part will be on the side because I like wearing it like this. And you can as well style it any way you want. There are links below in the description box for the wigs I've made before. You can click the links and watch them because they're really interesting and the results are very beautiful.
you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bottom below you said no.
That was it for today, guys. If you love this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.